Hi, this is Dr. J with your daily 5 in 5. 5 daily health tips in 5 minutes. So let me ask you a question. Do you want to know about the most powerful vitamin on earth? I mean, this is something I give to literally every patient that comes into my office. If they have autoimmune, arthritis, Lyme, neuropathy, stomach problems, hormone imbalances, I mean, you name it. This helps with any patient that walks, crawls, is carried, or hobbles into the office. And if you're not taking enough of this vitamin, you're harming your health and increasing your risk factors. I'm talking about vitamin C, the most powerful vitamin on earth. And did you know that this is more researched than any other drug? One way that I learned about vitamin C is through a patient experience. In 2005, I had a patient come into the office in a walker with a diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis. She had severe reactions to the medical treatment. I believe the prescription was methotrexate, and her RA count was supposed to be 20, and it was 2,560. It's one of my favorite patient stories because when we started treating her with energy, which was high-dose vitamin C, targeted nutritional therapy, not only did she get her life back, her symptoms went away and her blood tests went normal. And her rheumatologist said, "Oh my gosh, it's not possible." And what he meant to say was it wasn't possible for him. But this is something that happens all the time, and if you want to see her whole story, you can see the link in the comments. Now, there's 5 reasons why we need vitamin C. And by the way, we can't make it. We have to get it from the diet, and why people that are stressed, they burn up vitamin C at an incredible rate. Number 1, this donates electrons or energy. It's mostly stored in the adrenal glands, which is where your stress management glands come from, and vitamin C gives energy to that gland, and it literally charges you up. Number 2, it gets rid of poisons because it binds up with schmutz or antioxidants. Number 3, it strengthens the immune system and it strengthens the connective tissue. Number 4, it decreases inflammation, which reduces electrons. So when you put vitamin C into the system, you get electrons going up. And number 5, it's to reduce the risk factors of cancer. Now, the knife and fork sources of vitamin C are fresh fruits, citrus fruits, strawberries, cantaloupe, currants, and fresh vegetables, especially Brussels sprouts, collard greens, lettuce, cabbage, peas, and asparagus. So with that in mind, if you're struggling with pain, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, low immune system, or inflammation, I see amazing outcomes every single day, every single time, and on every single patient. It doesn't fail. If you're interested in purchasing the best form of vitamin C, which is liposomal vitamin C, please comment #vitamin C. And don't forget our free Wellness to Wellness livecast, which means that we take people that were living here and help them to live up here. It's Thursday nights with Dr. J, me, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And if you've seen any of the ones in the past, people just love it. The feedback we receive is incredible. You don't want to miss it. We'll put the link in the comments so you can register, and you'll get a reminder. Plus, you get my free guide on beating sugar cravings without feeling deprived. This is Dr. West, and I'll see you on the next video.